There's a buzz about DJI potentially launching a Mini 5 Pro. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything, rumors hint that this new drone could bring significant changes to the market for drones under 250 grams. In this video, we'll explore the leaks and speculations to see what the Mini 5 Pro might offer. Let's dig deeper. The Mini series is known for its portability, so the Mini 5 Pro will likely keep its foldable design. According to leaks, it might feature a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, similar to the Mini 3 Pro, enhancing its safety and stability in flight. There's also talk of a larger 1-inch sensor, although the drone's body may need adjustments to accommodate it. As for the controller, we might see an upgrade to the DJI RC N1 with an integrated display, akin to what the Mini 3 Pro uses. A key point of speculation is the sensor. Rumors suggest DJI could opt for a 1-inch sensor instead of the smaller ones used in earlier Mini models. This upgrade would be significant, offering better low-light performance, a wider dynamic range, and sharper images. The Mini 5 Pro might also come with a more powerful processor, enabling smoother 4K video at 60 frames per second, improved image stabilization, and faster processing times. Flight time is a crucial feature for the Mini series. Even if the larger sensor adds some weight, new battery technology could keep the Mini 5 Pro's flight time around 30 minutes. The larger sensor would capture more light, resulting in clearer images, especially in low-light conditions. A 1-inch sensor on the Mini 5 Pro could create a shallower depth of field, producing the beautiful bokeh effect that photographers and videographers love. It might even support 5K recording, offering more detail and flexibility for editing than the current 4K standard. Some speculate that DJI might opt for a slightly lower resolution, like 5.1K, to balance processing power and battery life. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to feature a more powerful processor to handle the demands of a larger sensor and higher video resolutions. This might include the DJI OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system, which would provide better range and stability. Considering DJI's usual release schedule and recent leaks, the Mini 5 Pro might be announced around September 2024, fitting their pattern of releasing new models about a year apart. Pricing will be crucial for the Mini series. While the 1-inch sensor and other upgrades would enhance the Mini 5 Pro, DJI needs to keep it affordable. The expected price is around $1,099, which is competitive for the sub-250G category. Balancing advanced features with cost will be key to the Mini 5 Pro's success. If the DJI Mini 5 Pro is released, it could redefine the sub-250-gram drone market. A 1-inch sensor, powerful processing, and potential 5K recording make it appealing for content creators and hobbyists. However, keeping the price competitive and ensuring good flight time will be essential. Thank you for joining us as we explored the exciting possibilities of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or just starting out, this potential new release promises to offer something special for everyone. Stay tuned for more updates and rumors as we get closer to an official announcement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop with all the latest drone news and reviews. Fly safe and happy filming!